Okay, for our third postcard, we have this element here. We can change that color, the color of that, by clicking the thumbnail, double clicking on the thumbnail, and as you can see, we have changed the color. Just like that. And just click OK. And now we can change the text as well by double clicking on the thumbnail. So you can see sample text, for example. Resize it by hitting Ctrl T, and we can edit the colors and styles by double clicking on the layer, adding drop shadow, for example, like so. And the gradient overlay, we'll try to change the color to something like that. Okay, just click OK when you're done. You can add bevel as well if you want. That it will look like a 3D text, and just click OK. Alright, for our background image, and let's delete this image and let's replace it with a new one. Say for example this image, let's drag and drop. Okay, let's resize it by hitting Ctrl T. Enter, and we will clip this image as well. Hold the Alt key, put your cursor between the layers, and we see this icon appears, just click, just like that. And same for our purple element here. Let's clip that. Okay, so if you want to have your background or if you want your background to be just a color background, so you don't want an image or background, you can do that as well by just duplicating this image. Duplicate that image by hitting Ctrl J, so we have this to the duplicated layer here, so you can see the copy. And let's hide the effects, and we're going to clip this in our frame. So clip it and double click on our layer, and you can now add colors. Say for example the gradient. Oops. Let's just change it. Just like that, and click OK when you're done. And we can now add some images to our postcard. Hit Ctrl T to resize. Oops. Click OK. Let's clip this, holding the Alt key and just putting a cursor between those layers. Okay, so let's change the text or color, just like that. And you can reposition or place the text anywhere. We can add style set by double clicking on the layer, adding stroke, for example, and playing with all the styles and settings in the layer style section. And just click OK when you're done. And that's for our third postcard.